Hi guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we are doing another mystery mini unboxing. We are going to be unboxing Spider-Man Far From Home mystery minis. Now, before we get into this unboxing, I would just like to say a big thank you to everyone who has already subscribed to the channel. It means the absolute world to me that you have subscribed, and I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. It doesn't take that long at all or cost any money to go and get a YouTube account so that you can subscribe. I would appreciate it if you subscribed. It would help this channel grow and help me bring more content to you guys. So let's get into our unboxing. So right next to me I have my trusty scissors if we need them. Oh, now I've just remembered I haven't shown you what options we have. So on this top row we have Spider-Man, Peter Parker, his best friend, oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank on his best friend's name. That's gonna really bother me. Please let me down below what his name is. I have completely forgotten. We've got MJ, Spider-Man in his Spider Monkey version, Nick Fury. We have another version of MJ, another version of Spider-Man, a creature created by Mysterio, and this creature was also created by Mysterio. Another Peter Parker. Hello, we've just been greeted by a cat. And Mysterio over here. That's really going to bug me what his name is. So let's open it up. Oh, it's come to me. It's Ned, his best. Oh, we've got Spider-Man. And this Spider-Man is in his red and black suit. And he's shooting a web over here. And he's got a white Spider-Man symbol on the back. And a black Spider-Man symbol on the front. And just like all Marvel mystery minis, he is a bobblehead. So on to box number 2. So I will be able to put the link to these down below for you guys if you would be interested to open them. Who have we got this time? Oh, we've got a sitting down Spider-Man. Now this is Spider-Man in his red and blue outfit. He's got his fingers up like this. Not quite sure why, but, and then his hand out like this. Oh, that one is super cool. So on to our next box. These are a lot harder to open than some of the others I've opened recently. Oh, yay! We have Peter Parker! So he is also a bobblehead. He is in his outfit that he wears to school. He's got sort of a purpley brown top on and a blue jumper. Got his white trainers on and his backpack on with his suit sticking out. Oh my gosh, I love this version of Spider-Man. Tom Holland's Spider-Man is my favourite. I am a big Tom Holland fan. Definitely one of my favourite actors. So we are into box number 4. Oh no, we've got our first duplicate. But that's okay. Nothing wrong with having more than one Spider-Man. We love Spider-Man. So I would really like to get, I think, either Nick Fury, Ned or MJ in this box. So who is this? I cannot tell by feeling it. Let's have a look. Yay! We've got Nick Fury. So he's got his eye patch on and he's in his signature black and grey outfit. He's got his hands to the back and he also is a bobblehead. Wow, he is lovely. So nice to have a Nick Fury. So out of what we have unboxed today, the Peter Parker Mystery Mini is my favourite. I love the detail on him and I love the fact that his suit is sticking out of the back. It is just absolutely amazing. I will definitely be doing more Mystery Mini unboxings in the future, especially in our Funko February segment that's coming in the new year, all throughout February. I would also just like to say before I round off this video, because I forgot to say it in the beginning, you may have noticed that I have been bringing extra videos to you guys each week. I now have confirmed, and it is mentioned on my Instagram, in my Instagram bio, but I will tell you on here if you have not seen. My extra videos each week will be coming out on a Sunday. So the schedule has increased to 3 days a week, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. They will all be coming out at 6 p.m. UK time. And I have decided to do more videos because you have been enjoying the content that I am bringing out. And I am enjoying filming it for you. So I wanted to bring more videos to you guys. I hope you have really enjoyed this video today. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!